Hi, Year 9. So, hope everyone's really well today. Today I'm giving you a recording for our lesson. It's a very easy one, but just before I get started, I just want to make sure that everyone was okay with doing the frequency histogram, which is a column graph, no spaces in between the columns. The frequency polygon is a line graph, starts at the beginning and has to end the next unit. When you've got both of them, it's the column with the line on top. So that's why I thought I'd leave it with you. I thought maybe you should have been okay to copy the solutions I gave you into your booklet. And then obviously you had some homework to do for me. So if you haven't uploaded them, please do so as soon as possible. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a stem and leaf plot. All right, so a special table where each data value is split into a leaf, which is the tens, and a stem, which is the units, is in like this example. So if you notice in the stem is always on the left and the leaf is always on the right. It's the stem has the tens and the leaf have the ones. Key thing you need to remember, they have to be in ascending order. When you read it pretty much like 15, 16, 21, 23, and so forth. Okay, so let's have a look at example 10. So a class obtains the following percentage results in a science test. So they're the results. So we have numbers from 40, ranging from 40 to 90. Now, if I went through all of these numbers and put them in order, making sure that you cross them off as you go, you'll end up with this. So 51, 54, then you have 57, 58, and then you have 60, 61, 64, 65, 69. So that's all of our 50s gone, 60s gone. Now we're into the 70s. So we have 73, 73, 74, 75, 76, 76, 79. So we cancel out all of those so that we don't double up. And then we're left with our 80s. And so we have 81, 82, 83, 83, 83, 88, and then we have 90, 91, 96. And that puts all the numbers there. Okay, so tens, ones, and the ones are in numerical order. Okay, so let's have a look at the next page. Now we have sometimes back-to-back stem and leaf plot. Now, back-to-back stem and leaf plot can display two different groups in the one display. So now your tens are in your middle, okay? And then the leaf is for one group on the left side, and then this leaf is for the other group on the right side. Now, you kind of have to do some sort of backward reading here. So it still has to be numerical order if you have a look, but you read it as 81, 81, 87, 90, 98. 102, 103, 106, and so forth. Here it's 80, 83, 83, 88. So this way we read correctly. This way you got to read it like the Arabic language. So that's just the way the back-to-back stem and leaf plot works. Okay, so the left-hand side leaf increases to the left and the right-hand side leaf increases to the right. Numbers on the left-hand sides are 81, 81, 90, 102, 103. Now, one thing I didn't mention, once you get into the hundreds, you have a two-digit in the stems, okay? So only the one-digit unit, the single-digit unit stays in the leaf. So you can then fill in this bit if you want, okay? I'll help you out. That's just you reading numbers on the right. So you have 80, 83, 83, 88, and you should be able to fill in the rest. Okay, so let's go to page 12. Now, page 12 has given you two sets of data, and they want you to put this in a back-to-back stem and leaf. So Bill's on this side, Sam's on this side. They've already put the stems for us, which is great. It's just a matter of you filling it in. So the smallest number is 8. Then we have 15, then 19, then I have 21, 24, 25, and then 36. Now on this side I have 16, 18, and then 22, 22, 24, 26, 29. And that's all our numbers and nothing in the 30. And that's it. Okay, let's go to this example. So once again, we're going to enter these ones in a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. If you were to do this one, I'm just going to quickly give you the answer.